So I'm all finished planting. I've taken annuals that were in containers in different parts of the garden that got windblown in the hurricane, cut them back and transplanted them here, and then added some soil cube compost to the surface, and then seeded kale and arugula. And to finish it off, I planted a bed edge of garlic, which is my favorite thing to do to keep the voles from going into the bed and eating the roots of everything else. So I'm really excited to get this one section tamed. I think that's gonna look great in a few weeks when I start having garden tours again, and I'll give you an update in a few weeks.